Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinen's Grocery Stores, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to prepare and cook king crab legs. They're absolutely delicious. You are going to love this. No matter what time of the year it is, king crab legs are always available at Heinen's Grocery Stores. Sometimes they're fresh, but they always have options in the freezer. They range from 8 ounces to 1 pound per leg, which is huge. So just so you know, we always have it. Now, there are a few different ways, of course, to cook king crab legs. You can grill them or you can boil them. The only reason I don't necessarily do boil them is because they can become waterlogged. It takes a lot of the flavor out there and it's just kind of a mess. But you can steam it. It's very easy to do. So go ahead and add a basket to a large pot. We're just going to add in a few cups of water. Next, put the crab legs in there. If you have to bend it at the joint, totally fine. Just make sure they can all fit in the pot. And if you don't have a lid because your basket is hanging out, do not worry. Go ahead and add some foil right to the top, sort of crimp it around the edges. It cooks very quickly, or steams, should I say, very quickly. In only 5 to 7 minutes, these crab legs will be finished. And just as a side note, crab legs are always pre-cooked, almost immediately. As soon as they come in off the nets, they are oftentimes cooked even on the boat or at least at the pier when they get there. So all we're trying to do is simply reheat them and get them nice and warm. The other great way to do this is to bake them. Simply lay your king crab legs right on a large sheet of foil, bring up each side of the foil and just crimp it together to sort of make a tent, bring up the other edges. We're just going to transfer it over to a cookie sheet tray. It's going in the oven on 400 degrees. It's going to take in between 15 to 18 minutes for these to sort of steam bake. Then go ahead and take them out of the oven. Let's remove the foil. They look fantastic. It smells great in here. And now I always say to have a really good pair of kitchen shears. Not everyone has king crab leg utensils like the scissors or those little forks that help break it, but kitchen shears will always get the job done. What you want to do is simply cut right at the joint and then cut right down the leg and sort of expose all of that meat. It will pull right out there. It's incredibly easy to do and much more cost effective than any of those crab leg utensils. Now to serve up, just put it on a plate or a platter. Put plenty of melted drawn butter next to it, a few lemon wedges, and then for a little garnish, I like to hit it with some chopped fresh parsley. These are such fantastic and easy ways to prepare king crab. No reason to be intimidated anymore. You saw how simple it was. I know you can do this. We'll see you next time.